Hello and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The third year of studies at the Don Bosco Agricultural School in Fuluro in the northeastern part of East Timor always includes a period of training for field work. It is an annual activity included in the school's curriculum, sponsored by the Ministry of Education and supervised by the Ministry of Agriculture. It is the moment in which the students put into practice what they have studied and receive human and professional enrichment in dealing with the practical challenges of daily work. This year, third-year students are carrying out their program from February to April in the municipalities of Dili, Bosco and Lotem. The program embraces the sectors of agriculture, veterinary, medicine and fisheries. In collaboration with international, national and local agencies, the school has sent students to different partner institutions with the aim of determining their ability to implement everything they have studied in the school in the previous 2 years. The national meeting of trainees, which had been pending for a few years due to the coronavirus pandemic, was held in Florence at the Salesian Institute of the Immaculate Conception from February 17 to 19, 2023. It involved the young Salesians who are undergoing the formative phase of internship in the 6 Italian provinces. Also present were the respective provincial vicars as delegates for Salesian youth formation. On February 15th and 16th, the Rebuild Ukraine Conference and Exhibition organized by Premier Expo was held in Warsaw. During the conference, representatives of Ukrainian cities presented the needs of their local communities. The needs listed are enormous. In some cities, more than 70.3% everything has been destroyed. This is the price residents have to pay to defend their freedom. The meeting was also attended by Alexandra Jabubzik from the Salesian Emergency Management Team in Ukraine, who gathered data and perspectives from this gathering, a forward-looking meeting with a positive proposal for this rebirth of Ukraine, the country and its people. Don Bosco Technical College, known as Don Bosco Cebu, located in Cebu City, Philippines, will be empowering the next generation of STEM students thanks to the new Realizing 21st Century Learning in Don Bosco Cebu project. This project was made possible thanks to a grant from the United States Agency of International Development's American Schools and Hospitals Abroad program secured by Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. The project, which will run until October 2026, will construct and equip a new science and technology building on the Don Bosco Cebu campus. The first 2 years of the project will be focused primarily on construction, and the last 2 years will create educational programming, integrating science, technology, engineering and math across the curriculum, as well as encourage young women to engage in STEM education. Ends yesterday, the 22nd. In keeping with tradition in many cities where Salesians work, mid-year winter camps were held last week for young people from Salesian oratories and schools in the Rocklo province, PLO. During this time, the children participated in various initiatives and excursions. They attended cooking, art, baking and science workshops and conducted workshops with paper. There was also no shortage of physical activities such as team games and obstacle course or simple morning gymnastics. The most anticipated attractions were, as always, bus and train rides, which this time went to swimming pools, skating rinks, playgrounds, bowling alleys, cinemas and theatres. Also, during the morning meetings, there were special prayer times and then, of course, the Eucharist. Finally, in many places, as the carnival season drew to a close, there were Mardi Gras balls during which people had the opportunity to dress up as the characters of their dreams from movies or fairy tales. All the events of these days were organized with great determination by Salesian animators, to whom thanks and appreciation went out for their work. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.